18 months ago, I had exactly $0 in my bank account. Not low on cash, zero. I had to choose between buying groceries or paying for the internet I needed to even try to make money online. Today, I'm going to tell you exactly how I went from that to making over $10,000 in a single month. No fake screenshots, no secret formula, just the real story, mistakes included. If you're in that I have nothing to lose phase right now, this video is for you. Stay till the end, because the turning point isn't what you'd expect. Let me take you back. I wasn't lazy, I wasn't unmotivated, I was just stuck. Things just weren't working, and every make money online video I watched made it look so easy. Spoiler, it wasn't. I remember sitting on my bed at 2 in the morning, laptop open, 15 browser tabs of how to make money fast open, and feeling more lost than when I started. I tried surveys and made $4 in 2 weeks. I tried reselling stuff I didn't even understand. I even paid for a course that promised riches and delivered nothing but more debt. At that point, I wasn't looking for a get-rich-quick scheme anymore. I was just looking for something that actually worked. Here's what nobody tells you. Before the $10,000 month, there were months of negative progress. My first mistake was chasing every trend. 1 week I was trying dropshipping, the next print on demand, then affiliate marketing. I never gave anything enough time to actually work. My second mistake was trying to do everything myself. I thought asking for help was weak, so I wasted weeks figuring out things someone could have explained to me in 5 minutes. My third mistake was focusing on money instead of value. I kept asking, how do I make money? Instead of, what problem can I solve for someone? That one mindset shift took me almost 4 months to figure out, and it changed everything. The turning point happened on a random Tuesday. I wasn't trying to go viral or hit some big goal. I just picked one skill, something I was decent at, and decided to give it 90 days, no matter what. I told myself, no switching, no quitting, no distractions. I started small. My first client paid me $50 for a job that probably should have taken an hour but took me 6 because I had no idea what I was doing. But that $50 did something bigger than $50. It proved the model worked. It proved I could do this. So I kept going. Client number 2 paid $150. Client number 3 referred me to someone else. By month 2, I wasn't chasing clients anymore. They were coming to me. Here's the part people skip. The boring middle. I didn't go from $50 to $10,000 overnight. Month 1, I made $200 total. Month 2, $800. Month 3, $2,100. Month 4, $4,500. Month 5, $7,800. And month 6, I hit $10,400 in a single month. The growth wasn't magic. I reinvested every dollar I made early on into learning and tools instead of lifestyle. I built systems, documenting what worked so I could repeat it instead of guessing every time. And happy clients started talking. Referrals became my biggest growth lever, completely free. There was no single viral moment. It was 100 small decisions, repeated consistently, that compounded. If you take away one thing from this video, let it be this. You don't need 10 skills, you need 1 skill and 90 days of focus. Most people fail not because they're not capable, but because they quit at month 2, right before things start compounding. The version of me that almost gave up in month 2 never would have seen month 6. I'm not special. I didn't have connections, savings, or a backup plan. I had one decision I refused to break, and that decision built everything else. If this resonated with you even a little, drop a comment with the word START, and I'll personally reply with the exact first step I took, completely free. And if you want me to break down exactly what skill I used, how I found my first client, and the scripts I used to land them, let me know in the comments, because I've got a part 2 ready to go. I'll see you in the next one.